guys, welcome to today's riff of the day. Today we'll be learning By the Way by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. This is an awesome little riff and it's really beneficial for developing your timing and your sense of rhythm. And God knows that all guitarists need to develop that like non-stop, okay? So we're not drummers, we really have to work at it to be able to keep time and rhythm with the rest of the band. So let's get into it. Now the riff uses three chords, the F, the C, and the A minor. But we won't be playing the full chords over here, we'll be playing chord fragments over here, and we'll play several variations of these chords, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll start with the F, and all you need to do is place your index finger onto the 8th fret of the A string, and we'll play the power chord, so your ring finger will go to the 10th fret of the D string, and you'll pluck these two notes 8 times because each measure consists of 8 eighth notes, so we'll be playing one full measure of this, okay? Then all you need to do is move your index finger over and play 8 more notes. Then you need to jump down here to play an A power chord. And then you'll play one more measure of this. Alright, so let's have a look at that again. Good job. So jumping from this position to that position really quickly will take a bit of getting used to. So just keep your fingers rigid and just imagine the next chord shape before you change into it, and that'll really help send those little signals to your fingers, and you'll be able to improve the speed of your chord changes with that, okay? Okay, so now we're going back to the F, and we'll do the same 8 notes. And now it's going to change a little bit. Well, you'll put your middle finger onto the 9th fret of the G string, and you pluck it along with the 10th fret of the D. And if you'll notice, this note, this new note, is actually 1 octave higher than this note. So it's actually the same chord, only we're playing different notes in that chord. And then we're going to put our index finger over the 7th fret of the A and D strings and pluck those. And again, if you'll notice, in the previous set of chords, we had this power chord. But what we're doing now, those are exactly the same notes, because this new note that we're fretting right here is in 1 octave above this one. So again, it's the same chord, only in a different spot. And then you'll do 4 more plucks of this. And then you'll put your ring finger onto the 9th fret of the G string. 2 plucks, and then 2 plucks on the D and the G strings. And you'll also need to lay down your index finger to hold down the 7th fret on the G string, okay? Now let's play this entire section nice and slow. Alright, good job. So now we'll be back to the original F chord. And this time around you'll use your pinky on the 12th fret of the G string and pluck it together with the D string. And that may be a little bit of a stretch, but it's actually not that bad. You just might need to work on the accuracy of how you're fretting things with your ring finger. Next, we'll go back to this chord right here where the index finger is laying down on the 7th fret of the A and D strings. And then you'll pluck this 8 more times. Next, we're going to go back to the original F. And then you'll just put your middle finger down on the 9th fret of the G string. We had that chord already. Then to the A. So that's on the 7th fret of the A string and the D string. Pluck that 8 times. Then we're going to keep this finger right here, where we're also going to add the ring finger to the 9th fret of the G string. and then the pinky goes on the 10th fret of the B. And as you progress right there, you're going to build up in volume leading up to the next section of the song. So this entire fourth part of the main riff will sound like this. And that's where you will go into the scratchy bit, but that's not part of the main riff. This is a riff of the day lesson. If you want to learn the rest of the song, then do that by all means, because it's pretty simple and it's a lot of fun to play. It's a really nice fast-paced song, and it's fairly simple. Now let's just go through the entire riff, nice and slow. Alright, good job. So I hope you could keep up, and I hope you had fun. If you want to download the tabs, then go up to the website and you can do that right there, and I'll see you in another lesson. Bye.